Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mr. Chris with Infotainment.com. Today I am doing a customer install. We're installing a passive entry upgrade on this 2020 Jeep JL. So let's get into the install.
My first name is Christian. I drive a 2020 Jeep Wrangler JL Sport S. I've had it for about 2.5 going into 3 years now. I bought your passive entry kit. It's one thing that I was not very confident in installing, and so when I found out you guys could do it, it really was nice. When I first got the vehicle, I was like, wow, like I would really like that. So my first car I ever bought was a 2016 Ford Mustang, and like I already had proximity on it, and once you realize you have it, like it's just a nice luxury. It's not a necessity, but it's really, really nice. And I just like, for the last 2.5 years, I've been walking around like groceries or shopping, this, that, the other, and you're just like, I just wish I could just press the button, right? And it's just really useful. So for me, I was like, it's no brainer. You guys sell it for a good price, and like the install, you guys are really, really cool. I've seen your videos, and I was like, yeah, without question, I'm gonna do it.